To download the Cash App in the Philippines, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, it is essential to note that the Cash App is currently only available in the United States and the United Kingdom, but you can still access it in the Philippines by using a VPN. Start by opening the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile device. Since the Cash App is not available in the Philippines, you will need to change your location to the United States or the United Kingdom in the App Store. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store, then tap the menu icon, and select Account. Tap on Country and Profiles. Then add a new country or region. Select the United States or the United Kingdom, and agree to the terms of service. For iOS devices, go to the App Store, then tap on the profile icon, and select View My Account. Tap on Country or Region, then change country or region, and select the United States or the United Kingdom. Once you have changed your location, search for the Cash App in the App Store. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. After installation, open the Cash App and sign up for an account. You will need to provide your email address and phone number, and create a username and password. You will also need to provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number or other identification. After verifying your account, you can link your bank account or debit card to the Cash App. You can then use the app to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and access other financial services. It is essential to note that using a VPN to access the Cash App in the Philippines may be against the terms of service, and you should be aware of the risks and potential consequences of doing so. Always follow the laws and regulations in your country, and use financial apps responsibly.